Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by verifying permissions and context. Make sure you have domain admin or delegated rights so edits apply correctly. Open the Group Policy Management console and find the specific folder redirection GPO. This is essential because changes must target the correct object. Once located, inspect linked OUs and which user groups are affected, and write down current redirection targets and any offline file settings. This documentation prevents accidental data loss when you later unlink or change the policy. Next, you disable redirection in the GPO by setting folder redirection to not configured or explicitly redirecting back to the local profile. This tells clients to stop using the redirected path. After saving, run group policy modeling or results to preview changes, and instruct admins to run gpupdate/force on representative machines. This forces policy application. Make sure you verify resultant set of policy so you can confirm users will revert cleanly before you remove or unlink the GPO from OUs. Finally, you can unlink or delete the GPO once you've confirmed via RSOP and user checks that profiles are back to expected locations. Then, validate client machines. Inspect file locations, clear or synchronize offline files cache if needed, and check NTFS permissions to ensure users can access moved items. If something goes wrong, don't panic. Review Event Viewer for group policy and folder redirection errors. Run gpresult/h to capture results, and restore the GPO from your backup if you need to roll back quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.